Good morning. It is Friday, April 24th, 2020. We made it through the first week after spring break. Congratulations. Hope you guys have enjoyed this week. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about plants and animals and their needs. We know that in order to survive, plants need food, water, air. Animals also need those things to survive. Um, and so I want you to create a Venn diagram where you are comparing animal and plant needs. So if you look at my Venn diagram, you're going to create something in your notebook very similar to this. Two circles, and they overlap in the middle. One circle is going to be for animal needs, one circle for plant needs, and then in the center is everything or the needs that they have in common. All right, that are the same. So both animals and plants need water to survive. So I have that in the middle, okay? Animals need shelter to survive. Plants need dirt to survive. So those were things that were different because all animals build some type of shelter or nest for themselves. Okay, and then plants grow down into their dirt. A plant has to have dirt in order for it to survive. So those were things that were different. Okay, because an animal doesn't have to have dirt, and plants do have to have dirt. So those are your differences. So make a Venn diagram today. Think about the needs of plants and animals and list them on your Venn diagram. Hope you guys have a great day and can't wait to see some of your work samples. See you later.